In this video, I'm going to show you how to partition a hard drive in Windows 11. So it's the same procedure in Windows 10. So first of all, you want to go to Disk Management, and to do that, hold the Windows key and the R key on the keyboard. This will bring up the Run command. And you want to type in diskmanagement.msc here and click OK. And this is the Disk Management interface. So you can also right click the Windows Start menu and you can click Run from here. You can also click Disk Management here and this will bring up the Disk Management interface. So this is a C drive and I only have one hard drive in this Windows 11 computer. So I'm going to create a partition from this hard drive. So I'm going to right click here, click on Shrink Volume. So this tells you the total size before shrink in megabytes. This is the size of available shrink space in megabytes, 181 gigs, and enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. So enter the amount of partition space you would like. So I entered the amount 55,000 megabytes, which is 55 gigabytes. So it's going to be around 50 to 55 gigabyte of space. So I'm going to click shrink. So this is the partition created, 53.71. So you want to right click on this section which says unallocated. So this is where you want to right click the space here, click on New Simple Volume, click Next. I'm going to leave it as is. Click Next. So you can assign a drive letter for this partition. It automatically selected E and you can just click on the drop down and choose whichever one you want here. I am going to leave it as E. Click Next. It says format this volume with the following settings. I'm going to leave it as NTFS. There's also EXFAT. I'm going to leave here as default. So you can also type in a volume name here. I'm going to leave it as new volume. So I'm going to leave this check, perform a quick format, and it's going to format the partition here. I'm going to select next, click finish. So it created the partition. So if I click on this PC, here it is. So this is the partition and the driver letter is E, and I can also copy files here. So I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.